guys, welcome back. You probably read the title down below. I got my BoxyCharm Premium. Is it better this month? I hope so. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at the Soto Beauty Subscription. Alright guys, I got my BoxyCharm Premium. It is here. I'm excited. I'm shocked that I got it a little earlier than I normally do. Usually comes towards the end, but I've noticed my Ipsy has been coming late. So I only got one Ipsy so far, so I'm still waiting for that. But all right, let's talk about BoxyCharm. That's what we're here for, right? All right, so if you don't know, a BoxyCharm Premium is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items, which I really only get 6 so far. And yeah, and then in Premium, you also get to pick not one, but 2 choice items, which is exciting. And this month I did get to pick the 2 from here, and I'm so happy. So yeah, and I can't wait to show you what I pick. And then I can't wait what they curated around those 2 products that I picked, okay? And of course, BoxyCharm does have base box, which is $25 a month. And then they have the BoxyLuxe, which is a quarterly box, and that's $50 a month, which will replace your base box. Okay? All right. Now, let's get into this box and see if they can redeem themselves, because lately, Premium has not been doing it for me, all right? And the only thing that's been making me happy is just my choice items, all right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, guys, so when you open the box here, it says BoxyCharm Premium, and it's always in the blue box, and then, of course, it says, hello, Charmers. And then right here on top, we have the card, and it's BoxyCharm Sweet Treats, and this is what the card looks like. And then in the back of the card, you get they tell you what the products you receive, pricing, and a little description of it. I don't know if anybody would like to know. Here is the number that I got. It is C210430-PM, if anybody wanted to know. Okay, so let's jump into this. I'm gonna pick out first the items that I got, because I already see one item here that I'm like, okay, I can't wait to talk about that. But let's go with the items that I picked. Okay, so the first item that I picked here is this. This is the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrated. It says formulated with 1% retinol to amp up skin natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and textures. This has peptide hydrating skin and improved elasticity, while Dragon's Blood helps smooth skin from environmental stressor faced during the day. This retails for $68. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to try this out. You know, I've been saying it in my other videos, it's my birthday month. I am getting another year older, but you know, gotta keep this skin going. Gotta keep looking the way I look, you know. So I'm just trying to see what creams will work with my skin, you know, because our skin does change as we get older. So we gotta see what's good out there. But here it is. This is what it looks like. Really nice pump here. So I wonder, do I just press this? Okay, I think you just press it down, but I'm not going to do that. Like I said, it's for nighttime and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try this out. It is a 12 months shelf life. So yeah. All right. Skincare product, and a win-win for me this month. All right. The next thing, I'm super excited, and I picked another one of these for this month. And it is the Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Palette. It says a 5-pan eyeshadow palette that features 5 buttery soft shades that blend seamlessly in order to create a vibrant, ultra pigment, long-lasting look. This retails for $48. So before I show you this, I forgot to tell you what's on my eyes, and I got to use the Natasha Denona Aya palette that I received in my BoxyCharm Premium this month for April 2021, and I'm in love, guys. Look at this eyeshadow look. Do you love it? I'm amazed, and it was only 3 colors. I used the lightest shade, and I used this color over here as well, and then this one that's called Glam Green. It is gorgeous. The pigmentation is there. It is amazing, and I love it, and I feel like this is something that I can wear all the time. So I'm in love with this. But now this is the palette that I did chose, and I believe it was just this color, I want to say, but here it is. It did come in the brown box, and then it came on its own box as well, which I don't know. But this is the, like I said, this is the Coral eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. Oh, look at the gorgeousness of this. Ah, so pretty. I want to see the other one that I have. Like, I want to say, okay, so it's a little different, but this is the one that I got a couple of months ago from BoxyCharm too. So I am super excited. So we're going to do some swatches. This purple one right here, like this lilac color. Oh, looks so gorgeous. All right, let's see. My hands are like cramping up today. I don't know why, but they kind of hurt. But anyhow, I'm trying to ignore the pain. Alright guys, here are the shades. They're really, really gorgeous. So we're gonna start from here, going that way, and then down here, down here. So we got the Kaya, Lorea, Ablina. Oh my god, these are so hard names. But then the last 2 are Dakota and Lola. Oh my god. But I heard that what she does is that she picks from her bigger palettes and then she puts them in these smaller ones. So I'm excited for this palette. I can't wait to try this out on my eyes, and I can't wait to see what look I can create. So I am so happy to get another Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. So just these 2 alone right here, this was $68, this was $48, the box was $35. This is like well over $100 right here. So I am just happy with these 2 right here. Happy. All right, let's so this was on top of the box, and this looks very intriguing. This is what should be. This is the Ink Rebel Cosmetic Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and smooth lips. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the I can't say that word, so I'm not gonna butcher it. Enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. This retails for $24, and this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Let's see, because this looks fun. I'm recording.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I like that.
He's supposed to be the visual one, but I don't have grayish jack.
Can I have it?
Okay. He's not supposed to
be careful, be careful. I had to put a pause on my video. So my son, Gabriel, just created the most craziest, is it a monster?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is like, oh, I love his detail work. He loves creating things out of clay.
It's you have those little crossed eyes, but they're like X, but you put on size like correctly.
Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know where he comes up with these ideas.
But he's not supposed to have the black shirt or the thing on his back. I'm supposed to fix his little. I couldn't find gray. I wiped all my grayness, but I using this black and the thing on the back.
Look at those teeth. Oh, the details that he puts in his stuff is amazing.
Who's getting? But wait if you see the max.
Okay, so I mean, he does a great work with his clay. I'm just so proud of him when he does these things. Gabriel, close the door, please.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna like this, people.
Okay. So yes, Gabriel amazes me when he comes up with his clay creations. I am so proud of him that he found something that he's very passionate about, and it's something that I rather spend money on. Like I'll buy him all the clay he wants, and he creates these things, and it makes him focus, and he found something that he loves, and I'm very proud of him. So let's get back to this. So we had the Rollergloss here, and this is what they look like. They have like these crystals in there, which I am in love with that stuff. Like crystals, I love crystals. So I want to see. Oh, they do move in there, so that's nice. Gotta shake them up a little bit. There we go. And do they have name? Yes, this one's called Find Love, and then this one is Heal Yourself. So I want to see. Oh, this is very tight in here, because I wanted to see if there was a scent to them. There's really no scent to them. Oh, okay. It's not like, you know how if it's sticky, it doesn't feel sticky, and or it's not watery. So I can't wait to like definitely try these out and see what I think about them. This is something different in my box, and I do like this. This is really nice, and so great job, BoxyCharm. I love this. In my premium box. It's really nice. So we got 3 more items in here, and there's something in here that is intriguing, and I'm going to show you. It's this big one right here. This is the Frank Body Cinnabuns Scrub. Okay. My Cinnabuns Scrub gives your skin the love it needs to fight winter breakout, dryness, and blues with antibacterial properties and natural ingredients. Exfoliating fights breakouts, tones, and smooth skin. Made with roasted coffee grinds, sweet almond, honey, and cinnamon. This retails for $18.95. Okay, so Boxy keeps giving me these Frank Body stuff, and I am not a big fan of these, and I keep putting on there like, no, I don't want this, I don't want this, and they continue to give it to me. It looks like I'm not gonna open it because you know it's sealed here, and it looks like there's like one big package in here. I guess the scent is Cinnabuns. So I don't know if I'm gonna give this to somebody else or put it in a future giveaway. We shall see, but this one for me is I could live without, you know. All right, let's go to the last 2 items here, and I have the Dose of Colors eyeliner, and this long wearing creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivers a transfer resistant high coverage matte finish, built-in sharpener included. This retails for $15, and I got mine in dark roasted. And let's see what this eyeliner looks like. Ooh, fancy. Look at that. And I love that they put the color right there. So here is the built-in sharpener right in back. If you notice, a lot of your eye pencils or even lip liners, if you pull the bottom, you would get like a sharpener or even a lip gloss. There has been some lipsticks or even lip liners that when I pull the bottom, I'm like, oh my god, I didn't even know there was like a lip gloss or like a sharpener. So it's amazing what you find out about your beauty product. So this is what it looks like, and then you pull the top here, And here is the color. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really nice color. I love that I got a different color instead of like black. So that's exciting. I can't wait to try this out on my eyes and see how I like it. So I do like this product in my premium box. Okay guys, the last product, and I'm so excited it was in my box, and I was hoping that I got this because I heard some people got this. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer, a universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine-stopping Pro Diffusing Primer smooths the way for better foundation application and long wear with an instant retouch effect. This retails for $32. I swear BoxyCharm has built my collection of Fenty Beauty. They're starting to build my collection of Natasha, Denona, even Wander Beauty. I'm like, whoa. And there was like another brand, I couldn't think of it, that I'm like, oh my god, I'm getting like all the collection from this brand. But Fenty Beauty for sure is one of them. So this is what it looks like, because I do have Fenty Beauty foundation, so I can't wait to try that with it. I also have the Fenty Beauty powder. Yes, right here I have the Fenty Beauty powder as well. And I have her lip gloss, like the lip balm type thing, and like I'm just amazed. So I'm excited to try this out, and it comes with a pump, very sleek. Love that. Did I tell you how much this was? $32, yes. So I'm excited. Yes, a Fenty Beauty product in my premium box. This is what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, yes. Alright guys, that's everything that I got in my box. Of course, I will put the total amount of how much my box is worth this month, for the month of April. And I gotta say, I'm happy. It's actually 5 out of 6. 5 out of 6 products that I'm very excited to have, because the Frank body I can do without that one. Not really big fan of that product, but everything else I am so happy. I got a Wander Beauty, Natasha Denona palette in here, a Fenty Beauty, those colors, and a brand that I never heard of, but I'm excited because these things are super, super cute. But yeah, let me know, what did you think of my box this month? Do you think it was a great box? I think so. Like, premium for me was not doing it for the past couple of months, and this month, thank you. You redeemed yourself. You really did. And I can't wait to try every single product in here except for the Fink body, but I can't wait to try all the other products. All right guys, that's everything that I have for you for BoxyCharm Premium. Yeah, just let me know down below, what did you think? As always, please don't forget to like and share this video, as well as don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. As always, please be safe out there, stay healthy, and I will see you all on the next one. Lots of love. Bye.